Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the Mi Rollerball Pen. Now this has no technology built into it, but it's one of the Mi products which I actually liked. I have three of them. So a lot of people have been asking me regarding this, if there's any technology, whether this is Bluetooth or whether the ink has some like invisible ink kind of thing or something like that. But no, it's a regular pen, but the quality of the pen is very good. Now since I've been getting a few requests regarding this pen, so I bought a new one again. It's really rare to actually find it in the Mi store. It gets sold out very soon, but if you are lucky enough to get it, then this is a good option. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what you actually get with this. Now to unbox this, you just have to remove this tab and open it up. Okay, and that's the pen. Now it's actually presented in a regular fashion. There's no cover like that, fancy cover. It's just a regular cardboard. So we just remove it and that's it. So you just remove the wrapping. So it's just a sleeve that it's in, so nothing else. So that's the pen. You get two versions, white and black. Black is not available online in the Mi store. Yes, from outside you can order it, but in the Indian store it's not available currently, but the white one is. So this has a matte finish to it, but this is completely made of metal inside and a fiber body on top. Now this is also fiber, so everything is fiber, but it's got a little bit of weight. So I generally use this pen to do most of my doodling, writing, whatever, because I really like the weight on this. And people who like to do who like to flick pens, like do all these kind of things, which I can't do, so I will not try. For them this is a good pen because of the weight distribution. Now let's go ahead and check the build quality. Now let me just open it up and show you. Now you just rotate this like this, and that's it. So that's the pen. So that's the refill. Now you may think that this is a similar kind of refill that you get in the market, but no, it's not. It doesn't have that edged back, which actually when you press the button it goes up and then goes down. So that function is not there. So this refill has to be bought separately from Mi. You can actually buy it online, but you can actually buy a pen. Buying a pen is much cheaper than buying a refill, so I would rather just buy another pen. So now let's just look at the refill. The refill is nice. The color in this is black, so if you want a blue color one, you will not get it. There is a coating in front which you have to remove. That's there to keep the ink from drying, so we'll have to remove that. That's it, removed. Let's put this in. So you see that this is all metal and this is fiber. So even inside it's the same way. This is metal inside and fiber on the outside. So I don't know if the metal is extending to this place or not, because I can't see through that, but as far as I can see metal there. So let's put this back in. Now you just screw it back, and once it's tight and secure, you just turn it towards the right hand side like this, and the nib comes out. Turn it to the left and the nib goes in. So it's that simple. Now let's just see how good it actually writes. So no matter what kind of surface, actually I've tried a lot of different surface and it works fine. I really like the way it actually writes. The weight of the pen, I can't really comment much because I'm a technology reviewer, not a pen reviewer, so I'm not an expert at it. But yes, I really like the build quality, the ink quality. I have seen a few tests done by people where they've tested the ink quality with the water, and if it gets rubbed off easily. This is in the average category. So yes, water does have effect on it. It does smudge a little, but not that much. So I have seen those tests online. So I'll not be doing those tests because I'm not an expert, but this is an excellent pen in case you want to have something unique. Not everyone would be carrying one of the MI pens, and it's really rare for anyone to actually get it. So you will be one of the people who have a pen which no one else has. So in case you're looking for something like this, it's a good option for you. So nothing else that I can talk about this. Once I start using it, maybe in case you want me to comment on it, I'll comment in the bottom, but I don't think I'll be making another video for this. But that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.